we're going to give a brief overview of the Open BIM Layout interface. We'll get to know the structure of the program and what its main features are. In the central area, we can view and work on our project sheets. The different tools are situated around this central area. Let's begin with the section at the top of the interface, where the main toolbar is located. It's made up of the following groups: templates, styles, drawing elements, dimension, organization, and edit. In the templates group, we can create and insert templates in our sheets. This is where we can add the title block and other pre-configured elements. In the styles group, we can configure the viewing and printing settings for lines, texts, fills, and dimensions. In the drawing elements group, we can find drawing tools such as line, arc, polygon, ellipses, rectangles, text, tag, and table. From this group, we can also add a 3D scene using a BIM model, insert external files, and manage user symbols. The dimension group contains linear and surface dimensioning tools. In the organization group, we can modify the viewing order, allowing us to superimpose some elements over others in our sheet. Next, the tools found in the edit group allow us to substitute text and edit, modify, delete, or group the rest of the element. We can also show and hide incidents. Lastly, it's also important to point out the BIM Server Center group on the right hand side of the interface. By clicking the corresponding button, we can update the BIM model and export the information to the project stored on the BIM Server Center collaborative platform. Let's move on now to the smaller toolbar located at the top of the interface. This toolbar, a common feature across the entire CYPE suite, allows us to manage the settings for view, zoom, snap, definition of dimensions upon introducing each element, or enable orthogonal locking. Let's proceed by describing the panel on the left-hand side of the interface. From here, we can create and manage our project sheets and organize the elements in layers. The Sheets section is used to define, create, group, reorder, and print the sheets in different formats, as well as configure the settings of the grid line. In the Layers section, we can manage the project elements, organizing them as needed. We can add and block layers, as well as control how they're viewed. Finally, from the View section, we can control how the elements are viewed on screen. At the bottom of the interface, there's another small toolbar which outlines the next step that must be carried out with the selected tool. It serves as a guide to direct the user in the use of the different tool. Some of the program's editing panels are dynamic. These panels allow us to edit the element in real time. There are also static editing panels where the element information must be entered and the accept button must be pressed for the changes to be reflected on screen.